Hi friends, welcome to Varalakshmi's physics classes. In this video we are going to learn about measurement of area. What is meant by area? The surface occupied by the body is called area. See, the surface occupied by the body is called area and it is a derived physical quantity. The surface occupied by the body is called area. It is a derived physical quantity. Now let us know the formula. Formula for area is equal to length into breadth. So area is denoted with A is equal to length into breadth. See, this is the formula for area. Now let us know about units. CGS unit of area is centimeter square. SI unit of area is meter square. Now let us know about the conversions. See, 1 meter square is equal to how much centimeter square? 1 meter square is equal to, we know that 1 meter into 1 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. See, 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters into 1 meter is again 100 centimeters. So which is equal to 10 to the power of 4 centimeters square. So 1 meter square is equal to 10 to the power of 4 centimeters square. Again we can also write it as 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. This is also important. And larger areas are measured by using the units acre and hectare. Larger areas are measured with hectare and acres. 1 acre is equal to 100 meter square and 1 hectare is equal to 100 acres. Now measurement of regular surfaces. What is meant by regular surface? Surfaces which have definite shape, definite shapes are called regular surfaces. Surfaces which have definite shapes are called regular surfaces. For example, ball, playgrounds, etc. See, now we are going to know some of regular surfaces, area of some of regular surfaces. They are, first one is rectangle. See, rectangle area is length into breadth, and another one is square. Area of square is equal to side into side. See, all sides are equal for square. Next is triangle. See, this is height of the triangle h, and this is base. So area of triangle is equal to base into height upon 2. Next, circle. Center of the circle, r is the radius of the circle. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. These are the some examples for regular surfaces. Next, measurement of area of irregular surfaces. Irregular means irregular surfaces means the surfaces which do not have definite shape are called irregular surfaces. See, the surfaces which do not have definite shapes are called irregular surfaces. Next, how to measure the area of measurement of area of irregular surfaces. Examples for the irregular surfaces are stone, leaf, etc. See, by using a graph sheet, we used to measure the area of the leaves by considering y-axis, and this is x-axis, and the origin. We used to measure the irregular surface, area of the irregular surface. See, like this. One complete unit, this box, one complete box is equal to 1 unit. If it is half filled, this is equal to half unit. Like this, by using the graphical paper, we used to measure the area of irregular surfaces or irregular bodies. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.